Kajingwan Syllad Khubor Mariang hakini ki khendiat sngi kala penlong ki babun Kylleng yeng bandu no yala ki yeng ki sem bat ki jingdon jingem na lor badon ru ki ba mensau. Kumta na kaliang o menteri rangba konrat ke sangma ula kentu ki bor district hapo kajing Peit jong u deputy commissioner bakin Peit bat penpoi ki lad ai Jingiarap bakirke hakum kini ki jingja.
All the deputy commissioners have already been asked to immediately take necessary steps and as a policy measure, last year we had taken steps to decentralize the implementation of the relief process, and so now the deputy commissioners do not have to come to the state for any kind of clearance, and they can take steps independently, decentralized at their own level in terms of distribution of basic relief material, as well as different housing support, for example CGI sheets to be distributed. Those freedom has been given and funds have been given to the deputy commissioners, and just this morning also the Chief Secretary has taken a review of the entire situation and I've been updated, and we've given them the next 24 hours to 48 hours in which we expect them to complete the entire relief process. So we are on the job, and we are ensuring, as I said, by ensuring the entire policy is decentralized now, that entire implementation decentralized, that now deputy commissioners can take steps at the level.
So one